Okay, you guys, I am about to make the best French fries in the air fryer, seasoned French fries that are absolutely amazing. So these have my homemade garlic infused olive oil. They have Lawry's seasoned pepper, Lawry's seasoned salt, and some smoked paprika. And they're all mixed together, and I'm going to put them in the air fryer right now. And I'm going to put them on fries, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, we are going to put it on here. Let's do menu to fries. 430 degrees at 15 minutes, so probably not going to take that long, but we will see. These are so good, you guys.